German Vocabulary is an Android application designed to help users learn and expand their German language skills through vocabulary practice. This app is particularly beneficial for beginners, as well as those looking to enhance their existing knowledge of the German language. Key features typically include a comprehensive database of words and phrases categorized by topics, such as food, travel, greetings, and everyday situations. Users can engage in various learning activities, such as flashcards, quizzes, and exercises that reinforce vocabulary retention and improve pronunciation. Additionally, the app may offer audio support, allowing users to hear native speakers pronounce words, which aids in developing correct pronunciation and listening skills. Some versions might also include spaced repetition techniques to optimize learning and ensure that users frequently review important vocabulary. Overall, German Vocabulary serves as a valuable educational tool for anyone looking to learn or improve their German language skills, providing a structured and engaging approach to building a robust vocabulary.